Hi guys, this is team.gooninwife and welcome back to my channel. While my husband was gone for training, I decided to do a major spring cleaning and surprise him with a clean house. I have been so busy with work lately that I didn't really have time to put stuff away, hence the messy house. So I'm starting the cleaning off with tidying up the space. I'm folding the laundry that I did yesterday. I'm making the bed with a clean sheet and pillow covers. I love this feeling so much. On to my vanity. Next up, the kitchen. I had some stale bread to throw away. I'm doing the dishes that I left last night after eating 불닭볶음면 for dinner. And as always, I had some packages to open. I got a pair of mules and nude heels that are perfect for spring and summer. I also got some packages from friends. And those are two vintage trinkets to store my rings and accessories. Lo and behold, I got another huge package. I promise this video is about spring cleaning, not unboxing. I got an Artemide table light that I've been eyeing for so long. Look how beautiful the glass lampshade is. So beautiful, I love it. It didn't come with instruction paper, so I had a hard time assembling it. Yay, so beautiful! Now I feel like my house is finally coming together with this light. With all the packages open, I'm going to separate the garbage. There were so much that I had to go recycling twice. Let the cleaning begin. First, I'm vacuuming the floor. Followed by sweeping with a dry cloth. Finish off, I'm mopping the floor with a wet sweeper. I mean, honestly, sweepers are the best. I'm also cleaning window frames where it tends to get dusty the most. As well as all the surfaces of our furniture and the tabletop. I love decorating the kitchen with cute tea towels during each different season. It's such a small detail that makes a huge difference. Next, I'm going to clean the sink. While I'm waiting for the water to boil, I'm going to dump in baking soda and citric acid all over the sink and into the drain and let that sit for a few minutes. Using the boiling water, I'm cleaning every corner of the sink. And it turned out to be super clean. The same method goes into cleaning the bathroom. I feel like this is the most effective and environment-friendly way to clean the bathroom. It's usually my husband who cleans the toilet, and he will be surprised to see me cleaning it. Using Windex, I'm going to clean all the mirrors around the house. And also picture frames. Taking care of our plants while my husband is gone. To top it off, I'm adding this small bouquet of flowers to give our house a hint of spring in the air. So that's it for my spring cleaning. I hope you guys enjoyed. Although it took me almost all day to clean, I'm so excited to see my husband and for him to rest in this clean house. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next